So welcome to day 3 of your Advent calendar, and today I feel it just gets a little bit more exciting because we can start to go into your bag. I had to tie this ribbon on, I think I may have said already, just to keep the bag shut, so you can do what you like with that ribbon. Got a little card on from me saying, "Love Philippa," and let's open up. So we want day 3, and I don't think it's going to be right at the top. I have tried to put them fairly, oh there we go, day 3. So there we go. I have tried to put them as the bottom of the bag will have the higher numbers, but like I said, probably at day 0, you're welcome to go through your bag and check every bag. Is there anything that's missing? I've already said this. Please do contact me and I have got spares. So day 3, let's open it up. It's getting exciting now. So first out, I'll just pull things out. Glue. Oh, exciting. I don't know, it's not exciting, but you need your glue. I had to give you a whole glue. Felt. You'll be pleased to know we won't be doing anything today with this. Oh yes, this is going to be quite small. You've got a little leaf template. You've got a little parcel that says caution sewing needle. And then, oh yeah, you've also got thread. And you should be able to tip them out. These are little brooches. So, or brooch backings, or however you like to call them. Now, you need 7. I've just dropped one. Exactly, that's what probably you're going to do. That's why I kind of put 8 in most of them. Any that you have that are slightly broken, if, you know, when you get to using them, let me know and I can send you another one. But you need 7, you should have 8. So there we go. See if I can pick it all up. That is setting you up, day 3, but we don't have to do anything. This template is not for this felt. This was me last minute going, maybe I should put a template in for everybody. So there we go with the brooches. So that's day 3. So carry on with your wreath and the green, just doing that slowly, and I'll see you on tomorrow.